son is a 300-pound football player, and this is the results that he got on my interior design decorating quiz. And my petite, I would say highly feminine sister-in-law got this as her result, and she absolutely loves it. I'm not saying you have to, but if you really want to know somebody else's interior design style that's in your life, you might send them this quiz because it's very easy to take. Also, 14% of people who've taken the quiz so far got this as their result. And considering almost 78,000 people have completed this quiz, that's a lot. It's over 10,000 people. I'd really love to know if the results are accurate for you or not, because I'm trying to perfect the results of this quiz. Like if you get type 17 as your result and it comes up with rustic and you're not vibing with it, I need you to let me know because I'm not sure I got that one right. And if you really want to know what your results mean, you can purchase the guidebook in my Stan store. Or follow my page because I'm making a lot more videos like this. And I'm completely surprised. I would not have expected her to get this.